Hey sailors, it's Molly from Spin Sheet and Prop Talk magazines. Want to get out on the water? This upcoming weekend, come check out 200 boats at the Bay Bridge Boat Show, Friday through Sunday at the Bay Bridge Marina in Stevensville. Look out, Rockfish. On Saturday, the Boatyard Bar and Grill hosts its opening day fishing tournament, followed by a fun awards party at 4 p.m. Everyone is invited to Spin Sheet's free crew party on Sunday at the Annapolis Maritime Museum. New sailors should come at 3 p.m. for a Start Sailing Now Q&A about how to get into sailing this season. At the party, from 4 to 6 p.m., you'll find both skippers who need crew and crew who need boats, hanging out together listening to live steel drum music. Visit spinsheet.com and proptalk.com. It's better on the bay.